All right, here we are hanging out with Sherrie Swass. My name is John Robert Quinn, the guy who builds talk shows, coast to coast, creator of JRQ TV. And today we're going to be talking about a little bit of interior design. Sherrie, how are you?
Fine. How are you doing?
Doing good. We met, you did the Good Life radio show.
That's correct.
Way back when. If you guys don't remember, I had a radio show on 105.5, and that's where we met all those years ago. We went and got some tacos about a year ago. I'm still remembering that lunch. That was a lot of fun.
Yeah.
And then today we're sitting here working, and you're still doing your thing, which is amazing. You're still doing your thing. So tell me, what is it that you do?
I'm an interior designer. I've been an interior designer for over 30 years, and I do a lot of consultations. And when I walk into somebody's home, office, etc., what I immediately have always noticed is they buy the wrong stuff.
Now, when you say the wrong stuff, what's the wrong stuff? Because we buy IKEA or we buy junk sometimes.
It has nothing to do with junk. It just has to do with choosing the right fabrics, the right styles, the right size. Those are the things it has to do with, and it just has to happen. If you don't buy it right the first time, it never will be right, and your project will always be compromised.
So when you're talking about a room, so let's say you're buying a room that's 18 by, you're buying furniture for a room. You have a beautiful home, and you have an 18 by 18 size living room, and they go to the furniture store. They're picking what looks good in the furniture store. They're not picking what looks good in their home.
That's correct. That's what people don't get.
And then you come in, and you're building the furniture around their space rather than...
Right.
It's actually really smart. I never thought about that.
It's a two-part system. What I usually suggest with Sofa Starz is for me to come and look at your space, which is pretty upfront. We measure, we talk about your style, your lifestyle, the colors that you enjoy being surrounded by, and then we kind of go from there. I'm also a feng shui practitioner, so feng shui placement also comes into mind at this point. So there's a lot going on in my brain when I'm at your location. Then the next step would be for you to come to my showroom and actually sit on furniture and make sure that it's comfortable. You can change the seat cushions, you can change the back cushions, you can change the arms. You literally can change anything. I use a factory that is over the top, and I've been using them for 14 years. And Sofa Starz is simply my own brand. That's what it is. It's my own brand. And most of my clients are people that are looking for the perfect furniture. They're people that have physical issues. Their legs are too short, their body's too long. I mean, there's several things. Sometimes people have bad backs. I can accommodate that. Other clients are designers. I have a lot of designers that are using my service now, because I understand designers and I understand their particular of what they want for their own clients. So it's working out beautifully. So it's a perfect situation.
It's incredible to me. I what's funny is, I always have an idea of where a conversation's going to go. I always have an idea of what somebody does. I go to the website, I read the brochure. We obviously sat and talked for at least a couple of hours now before. And just hearing what you're saying makes me go, oh my gosh, everything that I've ever bought for my house is wrong.
Probably.
It is. No, I'm sure it is.
Most people do.
We buy based on price. We go to the store, I go to RC Willey. I've got a great guy over at RC Willey, wonderful guy. But I'm looking at the furniture in this ginormous warehouse, and I have this little tiny little high-rise apartment, and then I get the furniture home and nothing fits.
Right. It's called planning. You actually plan.
And we end up spending the same amount of money.
Yeah, probably so. It is a custom line, and custom furniture always is somewhat more expensive than buying it, say, online. But I offer a service that is complimentary to my clients, and I also make sure we do it right the first time.
Where did this come from? Did you just wake up one morning and were like, I want to design furniture? I mean, how did this start?
Well, it came from I've been working on Sofa Starz for about 6 years. And it came from just being disgruntled by going into home office and always looking at the wrong stuff. And I figure if I could start off right, basically, as a professional designer, I feel like if you get two things right, you can't go wrong. One is your custom upholstered furniture. It's got to be the right size, the right color, the right fabric. If you get that all dialed in and the right window coverings, you can't go wrong. You cannot mess up at that point. Your basics have been accomplished, and if those two are in line, you're good to go.
Now, were you always, like, as a kid, were you always a designer? Were you always designing things? Were you designing clothes? Were you drawing things?
Yeah, my first interest truly was fashion design. I mean, I actually have a degree in fashion merchandising. That's where I started. And then I realized once I got into it, it just wasn't quite my thing. And the first thing I did actually was get into interior design. Went back to school, and I did several model home subdivisions for about 10 years of my career. And that's really what got me jump started, and also got me very interested in custom upholstered furniture. That's what really did it for me. And like I said, about 6 years ago, I did just wake up one morning and go, you know what? I've been working with this fabulous factory for about, at that point, 12 years, and they don't have a clue what they're sitting on. And I went to the people that own the factory and I said, this is my concept. I really want to brand my own line using you as a factory and your schematics, which are your furniture selections. And that's how it started. And it's taken me a long time to get this off the ground, but it is ready to go. And
the furniture is amazing.
And the factory is 30 years old. They're a family-owned business. I feel 100% confident in selling their product.
Is this stuff made here, or is it
It's made in California. Yeah,
oh,
it's
wow.
made right here in California.
Wow.
So, yeah, this is not an import from out of the country. It's made right here.
Wow. Now, talk to me about feng shui. What is feng shui?
Feng shui is walking to the room and feeling immediately comfortable. And there is a... Is
it a psychology or is it a science?
It's kind of both. It's kind of both. It's just my whole business. If you open up my website on the homepage, it's about feeling. And that's why when you walk into some people's homes, into a hotel, I don't care where you are, you just walk in and go, wow, I feel good here. That's the feeling you want when you buy your furniture. You want to buy something not just because it looks cute or it's real fashionable right now, but it feels good. It just feels good.
Timeless.
You know it. And
timeless.
Yeah, and timeless, yeah. A lot of what my philosophy is do it in neutrals and then pop it with colors. And that's where you get your timeless.
Looks like our shot.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, that was the same exact concept that I did with model homes when I did those for 10 years.
That is awesome. When people go to Sofa Starz or when they give you a call, what should they expect?
They should expect two things. One thing is I just need to come to your location. I just need to do that. I just don't feel comfortable selling anything unless you insist on it, and if you do, you do. A lot of, if you're using a designer, no, I don't have to come to your home because that designer has already done that work for you.
Correct.
But you need to sit on furniture. I need to fit you with furniture, the right furniture. It needs to be the right depth for your leg length. There's so many things that are incorporated in choosing furniture, not just, oh, it looks nice. You know what? It might look nice, but it's very uncomfortable. There's a huge store right now in this area that everybody just loves. It's the go-to store. But the furniture is very, very uncomfortable.
And enormous.
And enormous.
And enormous. I know exactly what you're talking about.
We won't
yes,
this.
exactly.
Okay. But it just throws me off because everybody comes to me and wants that look. And actually, what that look is it's incorporated in a bench seat. And I don't know if any of you know what a bench seat is, but instead of having 3 cushions on a sofa, you have one long one. And people just don't know what it is about that furniture that looks really attractive. But I will tell you, 9 times out of 10, it's the bench seat.
You know, what I've always found, what I like about that brand is that it has a very historic look. The issue is that it looks historic in their setting. As soon as you get it into your home,
doesn't look the same.
It doesn't look the same because the setting is so big, and then when you get it in, it doesn't fit, and it takes up your entire room essentially. And again, that's where you could come in. I could say, okay, in my eyes, I want a couch that looks like this in terms of form. And then you come in and you go function,
Yes,
and now it works.
And then you scale it to your exact
what
room.
you're trying to accomplish.
Right, and that's where most people don't get the picture.
And your body though too.
Yes, and there's so much that goes on if you're really choosing the right piece of furniture.
Incredible.
It's incredible, and you have to put it all together, aesthetics and the functionality.
I had no idea that this interview was going to go the way it's had. This is amazing.
So,
Sherrie, thank you so much. How do people get in contact with you?
You can reach me on my website. Look for Sofa Starz, SOFASTARZ.com. Go to my website, and all my contact furniture information is right on there.
Thank you guys so much, and thank you again as well.
Thank you.
And give her a call or go to the website. And thanks for watching. See you guys next time.